Let's take a look at running a load test using Apache JMeter. To start, open the JMeter executable in the bin folder where you downloaded the program. This GUI is good for designing load test scripts, but is inefficient for actually running load tests. We're first going to create a new test plan from a template. There are multiple tools to help with creating a test plan, but we'll use the recording option in this case. To record our actions in a web browser, we'll need a test script recorder. I'm just getting rid of the template script recorder and replacing it with the default. Excluding URL patterns is useful to make sure JMeter only evaluates the requests you care about. I'm adding URLs with a text extension to the default exclusion list and removing PNGs. Now we can start the script recorder and record a test script using a web browser. I'm just requesting a JSON object from the server we're testing in this project. Now the test script we just recorded can be seen under thread group. It shows the IP address and port number of the request, as well as the parameters that were sent in the URL. Next, we need to specify the number of requests to be sent using the test script. I'm going with 10 users with a ramp-up period of 10 seconds. The ramp-up period is how long it should take for all of the requests to be deployed. These configurations mean that JMeter will space the requests out so a request is sent approximately once per second. This GUI can run the test for debugging purposes, just to make sure the test is working as planned. So I'll save the test plan and then see what happens when I run it. Here you can see the 10 successful requests coming in. So now we know that our test plan is functioning, but because of the GUI's efficiency limitations, I'm going to run the load tests from the command line. First, use -n to specify that the test should be run in non-GUI mode. Then -t is followed by the path to the saved test plan. And -l is the path to where the resulting log file should be created. This will take a few seconds and can take even longer with a more extensive load test. As you can see, none of the requests failed, and there are some times listed for the requests. We can view the results we just got in the GUI using a listener. Let's use the aggregate graph listener. The generated log file can then be opened, and the results are displayed in this table here. There's also options to create a graph using this data.